Okay, nakalibre siya, bay. Pinasa ni Papatops. Papatops nakalibre. Wow, swak na swak. Patay sila dyan. Harap ng kapasahan. Pass to Papatops na sa ilalim. Yes, good for 2 points by Papatops. This program is brought to you by Puta Water from the baseline. Pass to Papatops na pulls up. Nugod. Rebound by number 3. Number 3, tumira, body. Push up again, no good. Rebound by Papatops, tumiretso, wala pa rin. Oh my God. Ayaw talaga, ayaw. Okay, guys, please follow the channel every Friday dito sa Vercat. Follow lang kayo, follow and like. Don't forget Papatops channel. Please subscribe para makapanood kayo sa every Friday dito sa Doha, Qatar, GWC dito sa Vercat. Ito number 17, ang bilis oh. Humahabol, sito kayo, tumiretso. Yes, good for 2 points. Biga shout out mo na dyan sa mga taga Pinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Miga shout out. Papatops sa kalibre. Papatops dala ng bola. Pass to number 3. Wala. Number 3 controlling the ball. Wow, tumira. Swak na swak. Okay, Gino. So Simon oh, nagharap ng kapasahan, binalik kay Gino, harap by Papatops. Gino, pass to Simon, wala, dumiretso, nice, wala. Ito, Perez now, harassed by Rode. Perez, pass to number 3, umiikot, dumiretso, wala. Rebound by Bong. Zeno controlling the ball. Zeno, harap ng kapasahan, pinasa sa gitna, tumira. Yes, of the birds. Good for 2 points. This program is brought to you by Puda Papatops. Shout out mo na dyan sa mga taga Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe dito sa channel Papatops TV. Remaining time 7 minutes and 45 seconds for the third quarter. Papatops na nasa ilalim. Pass to number 0. Haras by 17. Papatops na nasa gitna. Pass to number 3. Tumira sa 3. Bala. Rebound by 17. Ang bilis. Bilis dumiretson. Pass to Simon off the glass. Yes, good for 2 points. Number 3 now. Malakas ang hangin dito. Dumiretso. Wala. Tumira again. Yes, hinugasan yung ring. Good for 2 points. Pass to Gino, naghanap ng kapasahan. Pass to number 17. Simon now. Yes, good for 2 points. Okay mga guys, please follow the channel every Friday. Pass to number 0. Yes, good for 2 points. Nice pass by Papatops. Number 17 to Simon again. Yes, basket count. Okay, tumira, wala. Rebound number 25. There's foul by Rodi. Warning for penalty. Ang score, this program is brought to you by Buddha Water. Ito na naman tayo. Back to number 3. Kalibre. Pinasa sa ilalim. Ito ni Abay. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by Bong. Pass break now. Yes. Good for 2 points by Simon number 2. Okay, Papatops now controlling the ball. Papatops. Okay, abay, at nakapasahan, nakalibre, tumira, wala. Rebound by number 3, wala again. Haras by Bog, tumira number 25, 25, good for 2 points. Dino to Simon again. Yes, wala. Rebound by Tukayo. Melgar, number 25. Pass to number 0. Tumira. Wala. Yes, lost ball. Last start by Bong. From the baseline. Papa Tops. Okay. Papa Tops. Lost ball. Last start by Rudy. Papa Tops from the baseline. Rode from the rainbow. Papa Tops. Wala. Walang to number 17. Nakuha na number 17. Haras by Tukayo. OVA ka ang number 17. Tumira. Yes, good for 2 points. Okay. Tumira na naman. Yes. Good score. Jeno to Bong. Bong. Haras by number 0. Pass to Simon. Simon Alebre. Wala. Rebound by Melgar, number 25. Rebound by number 0. Controlling the ball. Hanap ng kabasahan. Haras by number 23. Rudy. Nakalebre. Tumera. Wala. Rebound by Rudy Boy. Pinasa sa number 17. 7-10. Fast to Dino to Bong. Yes. Wala. Nagpasahan ng bola. Nakalebre. Wala. Okay, lost ball. Nagpasapasahan. Okay guys, dito lang kayo sa channel na to every Friday. Please follow and like Papa Tops TV. Papa Tops TV, follow and like, subscribe lang kayo mga kapatid. Mega shout out dyan sa Pinas, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Papa Tops from the baseline. Pass to Perez, Eric Perez, controlling harassment number 17. Pass to Papa Tops, Tumera. Wala. Nakuha ni Rudy Boy. Rudy Boy, pinasa ni Simon. Tumeretso. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Perez now. Wala. Symbol. Okay, labas ang bola. Labas natin ang bola. Ang oras natin. Ang score 45-64. Hingal ka ba yan? Okay. Tukayo. Tumira sa twist. Wala. Oh, lumabas ang bola. Good pa yun. Okay. Back to the ball game. Perez now. Perez. Nakalebre. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha na number 25. Wala pa. Labas ang bola. Labas ang bola. Hindi ilabas ang bola. Perez. Pass to number 3 from the rainbow. Wala. Rebound with 25. Pass to Tukayo. Nakuha ni Abay. Wow. Pa-dribble dito. Tumira na naman. Wala. Rebound by Bong. Bong number 17. Haras by Tukayo. Dumeretso ng number 17. Wala. Nakuha ni number 3. Haras by number 2. Controlling the ball. Hanap ng kapasahan. Pass to Papa Tops na sa ilalim. Yes! Good for 2 points by Papa Tops. This program is brought to you by Puto Water. Papa Tops, good for 2 points. Nadali sila sa ilalim ni Papa Tops. Maganda yung ikot. Okay. Manood lang kayo dito subscribe lang kayo dito sa channel na to every Friday dito sa Doha, Qatar. Rudy Boy. Nakalibre. Pass to Bong. Lost ball. Last touch. Bola sa Sparmol. Score 68-72. From the baseline, fast to number 2. Harassed by okay, nakalibre siya bay. Pinasa ni Papatops. Papatops nakalibre. Wow, swak na swak. Patay sila dyan. Nakalibre si Papatops. Sa 2 points. Number 17. Pass to Zeno. Zeno now. Control now, harassed by Fires. Pass to Rudy. Rudy. Pinasa sa ilalim. Wala. May kasamang foul. Foul. Okay. Pass to Bong. Bong. Oy! Malakas, malakas. Last start ang Burkat Bowlers. Ito mga kapatid, dito tayo may kabigas sa top mo na dyan sa mga taga Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ito si Mr. Tocayo Eric Perez from the baseline. Abay Tocayo na controlling the ball, harass with Simon Perez. Nagharap ng kapasa, nakalibre sa 3 points. Tumira, wala. Rebound by Bong. Number 17, harap by Papatops. Ang bilis, tumakbo. Pass to Simon. From the corner, wala. Rebound by Uveres. Uveres now, controlling the ball. Nagharap ng kot, pinasa niya bay. Haras by Bong, tumira na naman. Yes, good for 2 points. Wala. Wala yun, wala. Score. Okay, change court tayo, change court. Dito lang kayo. Please follow and like this channel, Papatops TV. From 17, haraps by Papatops. Rebound by Roddy. Pass to Bong. Bong now. Off the board. Wala. Rebound by number 25. Bye. Harass by number 17. Yes. Intercept. Wala. Hindi nakuha. Pinasa sa ilalim. Nakalibre yung 25. Yes. Good for 2 points by number 25. Milgar. Simon again of the glass. Good for 2 points. Score. Remaining time 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Rebound sa away. Fast away. Hanap ng kapasahan. Domeretso. Wala. Rebound by number 17. 17. Controlling the ball. 17. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Nakuha ni Eric Tocayo. Nakuha ni Perez. Perez now sitting the fast to number 25. 25 the calibre. Yes. Good for 2 points. Number 25. Labas ang bola. Miga sa top mo na dyan sa Pinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao at saka sa Southern Liti. Masin Southern Liti. Miga shout out sa mga pamilya ko dyan sa Sugod, Masin, Southern Liti. So bye. Pass to Rode. Na-intercept ni Rode. Ang pass break. Labas. Salang lamang. Okay, this program is brought to you by Puta. Guys, dito lang kayo. Follow and subscribe lang dito sa channel ni Papatops TV. Itong laro dito sa Doha, Qatar, sa GWC Court. Burkat Bowlers. Papatops na. Nakalibre. Domeretso. Wala. Rebound by Bong to Simon Domeretso calibre. Yes, good for 2 points by Simon. Okay guys, paki-follow na lang dito sa channel. So every Friday dito sa Burkat, sa Burkat Awamer sa Doha, Qatar, GWC Court. Suma Perez now controlling the ball. Nakalibre, tumera. Yes, good for 2 points by Perez. Basket count by Perez. Good for 3 points. Simon now. Simon controlling the ball. Harass by Perez. Pass to Dino. Zeno nagharap ng kapasahan. Dino. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Fast to Simon. Simon to Bong. Bong haras by number 3. Tumira si Bong. Wala. Good go. Rebound by Perez. Ayan si Perez. Nakalibre. Nakakatira ng 3 points yan kanina. Perez controlling the ball. Fast to Papa Tops. Papa Tops nakalibre. Dumiretso. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Fast to Dino. Zeno to number 710 from the 3 points. Yes! Good for 3 points ang score. Okay guys, pakipalo na lang dito sa channel ni Papa Tops TV dito sa Doha, Qatar. Bigger sa out dyan sa mga Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. This program is brought to you by Buddha Water. Buddha Water. Okay, from the baseline number 3. Pass to number 0. Harass by Simon. Tomera. Yes, wala. Rebound by number 25 again. Harass by Rode. Tomera si Abay. Rebound by number 3. Tomera. Yes, good for 2 points. Labas mo na ang bola. O guys, kung gusto kayong makita nyo mga games namin dito sa every Friday, dito lang sa channel na to, paki-follow and subscribe, like and subscribe this channel. Papa Tops TV from Doha, Qatar. Miga sa taot mo na dyan sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Pasto Deno Wong now na sa ilalim. Harassment number 3 Zeno. Haras by Perez. Pass to Simon. Number 710. Tumira sa 3 points. Yes, good for 3 points. Renown. 3 points. Pass to Eric Samayo. Eric Perez from the baseline. Pass to Papa Tops now. Nasa baseline. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Matindi ang depensa ng kalaban. Pass to number 3. Dumiretso. Wala. Rebound again. Yes! God for 2 points. Rebound by 17. Harass by Papa Tops. 1-on-1 no? Was. Number 17. Dumiretso. Wala. Rebound by Bong. Tomera. Yes, good for 2 points by Bong. Papa Tops TV now. Controlling the ball. Papa Tops. Haras by Rode. Papa Tops. Pass to number 3. Tumira sa corner. Wala. Hinugasan. Pass to Rode by. Haras by. Wala. Nakalibre naman lang yung number 17. 17. Tumira na ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Melgar. Number 25. Haras by number 17. Melgar. Wala. Nakuha ni Bong. Number 17 again. Okay, nakuha ni Tamayo. Eric Perez. Akala ko si Tamayo. Okay, number 3. Tumira. Yes. Good for 2 points. This program is brought to you by Pizza Hut. Masarap na pizza. Order lang kayo sa Pizza Hut. Tawag lang kayo sa number niya. Delivery. Nandito tayo ngayon dito sa hypermarket. Saan si hypermarket dito pangalan? Okay, Simon from the baseline. Pastor Rode from the corner. Wala. Rebound by Melgar. Melgar to Abay. Ito, haras by Eric. Haras by Rode. Pass to Papa Tops TV. Wala. Nakalabay. Papa Tops TV na naman. Nakalebre. Yes! Good for 2 points by Papa Tops TV. The official TV. This channel. Simon. Ay, wala. Si ano pala yun? Si Zeno. Good for 3 points. Okay, ang score natin medyo nasira yung ano natin, yung scorer na lito sa score kasi mabilis ang score. Mabilis talagang nalilito yung scoreboard natin dito mga idol. Kasi mabilis yung ang scoring nila. Ito na naman si Perez. Perez harassed by Gino. Ni Papa Tops TV na naman. Pasto Abay from the Rainbow. Wala. Rebound by 17. 17 na madali naman. Renon. Harassed by Perez. Fast to Bong. Bong now. Nakalibre. Wala. Rebound by Simon. Bong now from the corner. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 3. Number 3, harassed by Rudy Dumeretsa. Wala. Pass to Papa Tops. Papa Tops. Good for 2 points by Papa Tops TV. Deno. Wala. Rebound by Perez. Perez to number 3. Dumeretsa. Last ball. Okay guys, dito sa channel natin, paki-follow and subscribe naman. Medyo si Papa Tops TV, pagod na. This program is brought to you by Pizza. The official Pizza Hut. PBA, diba? Dito na tayo, dito sa PBA. Parang PBA ang laban nito mga kabukit. Dito sa number 3, wala. There's a whistle, foul. Offensive foul by Bong. From the baseline, Tsukayo. Pass to number 3. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Medyo magandang laban na to. Ito, si Abay. Pinipik. Tomera. Yes, good for 2 points. Bong now. Harassed by Tsukayo. Fast to Gino. Nakalever sa 3 points. Tomera, wala. Rebound by Tsukayo. To Milgar, harassed by number 17. Milgar now. Pass to number 3. Tomera, nakalebre. Yes, good for 2 points. Ang score. Nalito ang scoring board natin dahil ang score, mabilis ang score. Ito, shout out dyan sa Pinas, sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Miga shout out muna kayo dyan. Time out muna tayo dyan. Sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pinas, please follow and like, subscribe the channel from the baseline. Simon to Bong. Bong pass to number 17. Number 17, nakalibre na naman. Tomera of the glass. Yes, good for 2 points. 3 points by number 17, Renon. Okay. Ang score natin 9-8. Okay, from the baseline. KB number 3. Abay, harassed by Bong. Tomera. Wala. Rebound by Bong. Pass to Simon. Nakuha ni Tokayo. So number 3. Pass to number 17. Lost. Renon from the Rainbow. No good. Rebound by lost ball. Bola sa Burkat Bowlers. Ito mga guys, paki-follow and subscribe this channel, like and follow and subscribe this channel. Sa Papa Tops TV dito sa Doha, Qatar. Burkat Bowlers. Okay, nakuha niya. Bye. Pass to Papa Tops. Papa Tops nakalebre na naman. Good for 2 points. Papa Tops TV. Please follow and subscribe the channel. Papa Tops TV. Good for 2 points. Alright now, number 17. Tumira sa 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Rudy. Haras mo niya. Rudy nakalebre. Dumeretso. Wala. Rebound again. Wala.
Good pa. Ang layo mo! Reklamo ka!
Mamatok sa makulit. Ano ay? Okay lang. Na.
Matanglawin na.
Matanglawin.
Isang kami dito, isa ka lang dun.
Okay. Simon to number 17, Renon. Tumira ng 3. Yes! Good for 3 points by round number 17. Score. Magandang pasok ng 3 points. Ito naka tatlong 3 points na to si number 17. Medyo magandang depensa ng kabila. Okay. Papa Tops TV. Wala. Back to the wall games. Papa Tops now from the baseline. Naghahat ng kapasahan. Magandang depensa ng kabila. So Eric Perez now harassed by Dino. Pass to by. There's a whistle. Foul by Rudy. Tumira si Papa Tops. Wala. Last ng bola. Symbol. Ito, back to the ball games na from the baseline sa Y. Pass to Perez. Perez harassed by Simon. Eric Perez controlling the ball. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Perez umaras. Tumira. May kasamang foul pala. Foul. Miga set out mo na dyan sa Pinas. Foul. Paglas walang foul counted. Walang foul. Keme number 3 from the baseline. Perez harassed by Siyabay. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Ini-screen na ni Papa Tops. Papa Tops na. Papa Tops harassed by Simon. Papa Tops now. Yes. Lost ball. Okay, this program is brought to you by Buta Water. Okay. Please lang dyan sa mga sa Pinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Miga shoutout muna kayo dyan. Miga love shoutout sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. From the Western Road. Number 17. Naghanap ng kapasahan. 17. Diretso, nasa ilalim. Pinasano. Nice block by number 3. God. Pass to Simon. Harassed by Papa Tops. Renon, tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Papa Tops. Nakuha ni Rodi. Mula. Nakuha niya pa eh. Okay. Labas ko ng bola. Labas mo na. Okay. Final games. Ito na lang kung sinong matalo. Manalo. Okay. Back to the ball games. Pass to Papa Tops TV. Labas mo na ang bola. Okay, depensa. Number 3, harassed by Rida. Renon. Foul by Papa Tops. Foul. This program is brought to you by Buddha Water. Ito mga idol, mga busing, paki-follow na lang dito sa channel ni Papa Tops TV para manood kayo every Friday dito sa GWC Berkat Doha, Qatar. Okay, Rida now. Pass to Simon Domeretso off the glass. Yes, good for 2 points. Tapos na ang games. Papa Tops TV. Panalo kabila.